What's happening, people in YouTube land? It is December 25th. It is Christmas Day! Christmas Day, chickens! Ew, you're going for a crap. That's disgusting. So yeah, it is our last day in the Catlins. And we're leaving Owaka today, heading to Bluff. And we're going to hopefully do some stuff today, probably like Tunnel Hill, perhaps the Petrified Forest if we get there at the right time. But the weather today is supposed to be bad, and it's going to be like rain and cloud and rain and cloud. Definitely no sunshine. So yeah, I'm rugged up today. It's going to be cold. Tunnel Hill, historic railway tunnel walk. And the weather is getting worse. But you know what? We are here. We are here now. Never miss an opportunity. Oh, well, I guess I won't be flying my drone in here. I mean, look at it. We're here already. We didn't have to walk very far. Well, at least it doesn't take long to do. So this tunnel's only 250 metres long. Not going to take us long to do. The excavation under what was then named McDonald's Saddle forms the southernmost railway tunnel in New Zealand. It was begun in 1891 and took nearly 2 years to complete. It is 246 metres long, and construction involved up to 70 men. All the bricks were manufactured at a nearby site. The final cost was $9,316, a little over budget. In engineering terms, the tunnel was not the most difficult section of the line. Later construction through the hard rock and deep cuttings near Cabrefade proved very arduous and resulted in the loss of 2 lives. Construction of the entire line was by pick, shovel and barrow, a tribute to the hardiness and perseverance of the workers. Well, at least it didn't cost anything. That was the Catlins Tunnel Hill. Next stop is McLean Falls, the Catlins' largest waterfall. Never let it be said I don't go the extra mile for you guys. It is really, really raining here now. And this is the McLean Falls, the Catlins' biggest waterfall. 40 minutes. So if I recall correctly, it's 22 meters tall, something like that. It's not a little waterfall, it's a decent sized one. We made it. There it goes down there. Comes along here. And there it is. The McLean Falls. Well, that was McLean Falls.
Yeah.
We're soaking wet. Owaka Museum and Information Centre.
Closed today. So, yeah. Closed.
So look, petrified wood. Owaka District Museum.
That's just exactly like past. No signal in this town.
No signal in this town.
Yes, you see, has no signal, no service.
So you know how magically sometimes in a YouTube video you change clothes because you're actually recording it over 2 days? Well, it's still December 25th and I've changed clothes because this is soaking wet. Oh. Right, we're off to Curio Bay now. Are you excited to see the wood?
Yes.
Do you know what you're actually going to see?
Not really.
Right, so that's Curio Bay. Here's the parking area. I believe this is the Petrified Forest all through here. And that, my friends out there, is the Petrified Forest. Evidence that New Zealand was connected to Gondwana land. Here it is. The Petrified Forest. That's a forest. Petrified. In a time before birds and flowering plants existed, a lush forest grew here. What dramatic event happened to topple the trees? You can see on the platform below, and how are they still here after 170 million years? Oh, look, tree stump. It's an ancient 170 million year old tree stump. Block of wood. There's like a river of seaweed down there. Years of pounding by the sea have worn away soil to reveal the fossilized trees. These stumps are all that remains of the Jurassic forest. They were fossilized by silica and the ash-filled floodwaters. So it's worth reiterating that you can only come here during low tide. We were lucky, we're here at the perfect time. 2:30 in the afternoon, it's low tide. Suddenly this just become a lot like, you know, Lord of the Rings, the Two Towers. You know the scene in Lord of the Rings, the Two Towers, where Smeagol leads Frodo and Sam into the swamp, you know, and it's like he's telling them about the route. Orcs don't know it, orcs don't use it, but Smeagol knows. Smeagol will show you the way. And he then tells them, don't follow the lights, or the hobbits is going to join the dead ones. And that's where I find myself right now, amongst the dead ones. These are all like puddles, and I don't want to step in the puddles. Tour guide. What did you think of the petrified forest? The wood.
Wood? Not the rocks? You serious? I think they're all rocks.
That is the petrified forest. Next up, where are we going next? Hopefully to see a lighthouse, and then on our way to Bluff and Stewart Island. I'm done talking. It's your turn. See you later.